Persuasive writing is all about convincing someone to agree with your opinion or to do something you want them to do. You achieve this by giving them good reasons to see things your way. But this can sometimes be challenging because people often have their own strong opinions. Experts in persuasion know that how you persuade is just as important as the facts that you use. In this series of tutorials, you will learn the tricks and tips to help you master this key skill. Today, you will learn about the value of knowing your audience. When writing to persuade, it's important to consider who will be reading what you've written. Your audience. This could be your friends, your family, your teachers, or even complete strangers. Identifying your target audience helps you to decide how you're going to communicate your message. Having established who your audience is, you need to think about the level of expertise they might have. Ask yourself how much they know about the topic you will be writing about. Are they experts or are they beginners? If they are experts and already know a lot about the topic, then you can go into more depth. If they are beginners, you will need to limit the amount of information you include. You also need to choose your words wisely. For beginners, use simpler words and avoid complex vocabulary. Remember, your goal is to persuade, not to show off what you know. For experts, you can use more advanced terms. You can use subject-specific vocabulary because they'll understand it. Your target audience will also influence your style of writing. Just like how we alter the style of clothes we wear depending on the occasion we are attending, we must alter our style of writing according to the audience we are addressing. If we are writing to someone who we don't know so well, perhaps we use a title before their name, like Mr. or Mrs. to address them, then a more formal style is needed. Our writing will need to be more businesslike, more serious in tone. However, if we are writing to someone that we do know well, then we can adopt a more informal tone, and our writing can be more personal and friendly. For a comprehensive guide on how to write formally and informally, look for the link at the end of this video. So, whenever you're about to begin a piece of persuasive writing, ask yourself, who is my target audience? How much do they already know about this topic? How formal should my style be? By understanding your audience, you can tailor your message so that it is more effective, more impactful, and ultimately more persuasive. For an expert's guide to formal and informal writing, make sure you watch this video. And if you found this tutorial useful, make sure to subscribe to my channel. There are many more tutorial videos that will help you take your writing skills to the next level.